People, wagwan again. Guys, this is Silk Reaction. You understand? All of my new subscribers, big up on yourself. People who do not subscribe yet, subscribe. No, guys. Okay? Yes, I know. Like, y'all see this guy on the screen right now. His name is Jerry. You understand? Where y'all recognize this guy is from? On TikTok, bro. Yes, this guy is going viral right now as a whole gentleman for you girls then. You understand, guys? Subscribe right now. Run up and subscribe, bro. Share the video as well. Like up the video. You understand, guys? Jerry now play it, bro. Y'all see Jerry and think a comedian, bro. Jerry take his business serious, bro. Look at Jerry. Jerry is a pastor. Now play with me now. Jerry is a pastor, bro. Yo. Guys. Hey, people are watching and say, yo, play the video, play it. Now go play it, bro. Make you see what I go on. Jerry's a pastor, bro. Trouble, one Jerry now.
The Lord said, since this man has become like one of us, knowing good and evil, he must be reached out to take form like the tree of life and eat the love and goodness of the earth. Do you and it take this man to be your lawful husband in sick and death forever?
Girl, it's every day. I'm fuck a boy, girl, pan a win.
Yo, I just didn't want to hear Jerry reading the Bible, bro. Like, y'all see the guy laughing, bro. Like, they don't want to put that part, but that part after being it. But once Jerry's talking, bro, you have to laugh, bro. But guys, this artist is 450, bro. 450 of the girl in Ada. Way from Wadia, bro. 450 song after play in party, bro. It's not no 550. A 450, bro, God. You understand? This guy song after playing party. If this song do not play in party, bro, the females, no females not gonna be there, bro. Play a 450.
Friend down to uptown and from a place. Every girl of mine. DHW. Every girl of mine.
She a married, she still a cheat. Who she has cheat with 450? A 450 she a cheat with. You know, star. Hey!
Every girl of mine. Wanna tell me a hoe. Say them a girl is to me, I'm a god too. Bad bitch up in my shit, I start blows. Dog should know me see me like juice. I raise you one tone, I tell me a hoe. I'm out to now use. I'm me a fuck on them bitch, my got proof. That's my data gone in I cook.
You not got proof of my woman, you. Not put a 450 way I don't know. Dog, see, him man knock a bitch, him got proof. Bro, keep your girl away from 450, bro. You understand?
On the night show to know some my lifestyle, man. I'm gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy girl no see if my door respond. So me ship it to the kitty get 1,000 stab. So much man I'm a door one. No attachments, no emotions. Babes if you fuck me, will give you anything except proposal. On the car name tell me oh. Say them a girl is to me, I'm got two. Bad bitch up in my shit, I start blues.
Bro, if y'all like gallis them, bro, this is the best song to use, bro. No cap.
I should know me see me like soap. I easy one tone, no tell me oh. I'm out to now use. I'm me a fucking them bitch, man got proof. That's my data gone in I cool. On the night shoot. Like,
bro, if you're a gallis, bro, you understand, you have many girl, bro. You have a lot of girl, bro, God. And you do not use this song, you're not a girlist, bro. God, you have to use it.
Go girl, me no do gossip, no. Say she want ride pan the killer tip. My fuck girl with tight like she live a gym. My fuck big old girl when I have the pocket. Anyway, another day I'm back at it. Girl magnet and every girl metallic. Anyway, I'm go for boy, girl you know I be my quick. I so we been I live, when no tell me a hoe. Say them a girl is to me, I'm got two. Bad bitch up in my shit, I start blues. Dog should know me see me like soap. I easy one tone, no tell me a oh.
Bro, one of the artists bun, bro. Y'all come together as female and male and said, yes, I'm gonna marry you, baby girl. You understand? And she accept it and say, yes, she do. And then another man just fall in and mash up the wedding, bro. As in wreck the wedding, bro. Trouble.
I'm out to now use. I'm me a fucking them bitch, man got proof. That's my data gone in I cool. On the night show to know some my lifestyle, mad. I'm gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy girl no see if my door respond. response. I'm she pretty the kitty get 1,000 stab. So much woman I'm a don't one. No attachments, no emotions. Babes.
First thing, bro, gotta look like idiot and I white. You understand, bro? You can't see 450 right there, so and then you just run in, bro, God. You understand? No, from a female left the wedding, just move to a next female. Now run down female, bro, God. Now
I
do
fuck
that,
mama
bro.
give you anything except
Red
proposal. On the car
yeah.
name tell me oh. So them
Oh.
a girl is for me, man got toe. What bitch up in my shake a style blues. Dog she do me seeming like juice. I raise you one tone and tell me oh. I'm out to now use. I'm me a fucking them bitch, man got proof. That's my the data gone in night cope. On the night show to no.
Bro, this is reality, bro. Like, yo, the girl that will kill it, bro. The girl that my next man, bro. And act like she's a terrorist. Yeah. Look at the female that pretend, bro, God. John.
So my lifestyle mad. I'm gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy girl no see if my door is
Reality,
span. From she
bro.
pretty the kitty get 1,000 stab. So much woman I'm a don't one. No attachments, no emotions. Babes if I fuck me will give you anything except proposal. On the car name tell me oh.
Can't believe it. The bride took off. The bride gone.
The bird God.
The selection. We have to go part. She fly away. Sail away, sail away, sail away. Sail away, sail
Yeah.
away, sail away.
Oh, and Jerry, bro, like, yo, this video, like, it's dynamic, bro. You understand? The director have to add Jerry in this video, bro. It's tough, like it just fitting, bro. Oh, and Pastor Jerry now. People no attachment by 450. Check it out. You understand, people. Subscribe right now. Y'all will hear these new music over on One Code Music channel over on YouTube. On the next YouTube. On this YouTube, you subscribe. Same way. Okay? People, I'm out.